Get ready to be wowed. This exquisite ranch has granite countertops, west/and-eat-at bar, and hardwood floors in the kitchen. 3 bedrooms and laundry room on the main floor, and a non-conforming bedroom as well as a rec room and a family room in the basement. There is more than enough space. This home offers a main level laundry, huge storage area in basement, a covered patio, and is wired for cable and Cat 5 throughout home. Updated interior paint and bedrooms 2 and 3 have new carpet, and main hall bath is all new.